with the melodies of you. Memories linger in the air like whispers in the breeze. I'm longing for your presence amidst the silence that I see. And I'll be waiting for you, with embers in my heart. Yeah, I've been waiting for you, I promise I will hold on to. Yeah, I'll be waiting for you, with embers in my heart. Yeah, I'll be waiting for you, I promise I will hold on to. Every shadow cries your name, a silent tone, to the corridors of memory where love was sown. Oh, this dusty road you wander, a path that can't partake. But when the miles have worn you thin, this love will be your way. Hush, this ends a blanket white, a single star, a distant light, on fields where shadows